In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule Bitcoin purchases on Cash App. First of all, open Cash App on your phone. If you don't have it, just head to your App Store, search for Cash App, and download it. Once you're done with that and logged in, tap the money icon in the bottom left corner. You'll see a number if you have a balance, or a bank icon if you don't have funds in your Cash App account. Over here, you'll find the Save and Invest section with options for Bitcoin and stocks. After you buy Bitcoin through Cash App, your current balance and price changes will appear here. Next, tap Bitcoin. If you've bought Bitcoin before, you'll see your balance, the latest price, and options to buy, sell, send, or receive Bitcoin. To buy, tap the Buy button. A pop-up will show up preset amounts like $10, $25, $50, or $100. For a custom amount, tap the three dots in the lower right corner. But this time, before entering the amount that you want to purchase, tap the drop-down button here at the top that says Change Order Type. Once you're on this screen, choose Auto Invest, and then you can choose your investment frequency. Over here, you can choose a one-time, a daily, a weekly, or a biweekly schedule. One thing to note here, though, is that auto investing does have a minimum transaction, and that's $10. So if you set any of these up, you just have to make sure that you're buying at least Bitcoin worth $10. Choose your preferred option. For instance, I'll choose weekly, and then tap Next. After that, choose how much you want to purchase weekly, and then hit Next at the bottom. Before finishing, Cash App is going to provide a summary of the auto invest settings. Just go through this, double-check the details, and if everything is correct, tap Confirm at the bottom. And once it's set up, Cash App will then automatically purchase Bitcoin on the schedule that you set and for how much you want. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.